Hi, and welcome back to Tiffany Shadley, Haul Kinda Girl. I am so excited. I have February's 2020 Boxycharm. I am so excited, you guys. This month, this box is so amazing. For literally $25 a month, you get all these amazing things. So the first thing that they sent me is these really awesome Aurora Evo Skin Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. Now, what's really weird is usually they send me the card telling me about each item and how much it's worth, but for some reason, it's completely empty. So I don't know how much these are going for, but I'm sure they're probably anywhere from $16 to $20. So I believe it comes with, let's see, it doesn't tell me how many. It just says cannabis sativa seed oil. So that is really interesting. And then let's see on the back. Okay. Aurora Cannabis is one of the world's largest cannabis companies and is defining the future of cannabis worldwide. The Aurora certified label ensures quality throughout the Evo, providing unique hemp-based product. Okay, so the next item that they sent me are these facial radiance pads. Help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. So what's really cool about these is there's 28 in here. And it just says Fab First and Beauty. Let's see, alcohol free. So the directions, just wipe the pad across your face and neck. Use once or twice after cleansing. So this is pretty cool. I've never seen these, so these are absolutely cool. Okay, the next item is a Ciate London Everyday Vacay. This is a coconut setting powder. Look at how pretty the box is. Delicately scented. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up and show you guys what it looks like. So I went ahead and opened it up. It has like this little mirror effect on the top. But it just is the coconut setting powder. So this is really cool. There's 15 grams, which is 0.52 ounces. And it does kind of smell like coconut. Now, I want to open this to show you guys. But this is really cool. I didn't think that they would send me any more setting powders, but they did. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm just really sad that it doesn't tell me the prices. It's so weird. Like, usually in the card, it will say the prices. So it's so weird this month. I don't know why they didn't do that. Okay, let's get into the next item, guys. Wow, these are absolutely beautiful. Now, I don't know what they're called or anything, so I'm going to take them out of the package. But these are so nice. Oh my gosh. Look at how big these are. So they do not tell me what they are, but I'm sure there's a foundation, a setting powder, and maybe a contour brush. So I went ahead and opened it up. It's absolutely beautiful. It's so heavy. Now, I cannot tell what the company is here, but I really wish I had the little card to show you guys what they are, but I'm so sorry I don't. But these brushes are amazing. Like, just look at the top. Two-tone color, so pretty. This is so heavy, you guys. Now, the next item is the, Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts. This is the Active Concentrates. Biomimicking Peptides. So this is smooth and firm. 30 milliliters, which is 1 fluid ounce. So it says it targets the loss of elasticity and firmness while visibly reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So let's see what it says on the back. I formulated my high performance concentrated with a signature blend of 5 VIPs. Very important peptides that work together to visibly refresh and renew the skin as it firms and smooths and hydrates. Well, this is cool. It just says high performance reshaping serum, how to use AM and PM. 1 to 2 drops on cleansed skin. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up real quick for you guys. Okay, so I went ahead and opened it up, you guys. I'm not trying to be weird or anything, but this stuff, look at it. It's like so thick. Let's see. Let me see. Look at that. This is what it comes. So this is like some kind of high performance peptides. So it's a biomimicking peptides. Smooth, firm, and firmness. Cool. And it doesn't really have a scent. Like, let me try to smell it again. Okay, it smells like, oh, I don't even know. It doesn't smell bad, but it doesn't smell good. So use alone with other, let's see. Let's try to see what this says. Okay. AM and PM, use 1 to 2 drops. Man, it's so hard to read on the camera. Use alone with other K-active concentrates or layer it with a serum of a moisturizer. This is crazy. I'm sure this thing's got to be at least $60 just alone, just for this little thing. Now, I really wish I could tell you guys how much each item was, but this month I did get the Kate Somerville, the Facial Radiance Pads, the Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes, which are pretty cool. The Ciate Everyday Vacay. And I think I've gotten something like this before. I do like that company. It was pretty cool. And these brushes. So this month was really awesome, other than not getting my card filled out to tell me how much the items were. That's the weirdest thing I've ever got. Like, they always tell me how much the items are. Oh, you know what? Those brushes are Luxie, I guess. I think. I don't know. But if you're new here, please hit the like and subscribe button. Every single month, I'm going to be putting out videos like this. I love makeup. I love showing you guys what I get in the mail. And I just want to let you guys know I am not perfect, but every single day I'm trying to become a better person. And with that said, you cannot take care of anybody in this world until you take care of yourself. And once you take care of yourself the proper way, you can take care of others the proper way. And please leave me a comment below if you guys get Boxycharm. And did you guys get your card empty? Like, talking about the products. Thank you guys so much for watching.